Okay, here we are in my basement workroom, and I've got a little hydroponic project going on down here. And what I'm doing is I'm growing vegetables in these things. These are plastic restaurant bus bins that you can buy online for about $7. And you also need to get some lids, and that's what they look like. And they don't have to fit, they don't have to snap or anything, as long as they cover and you know, can keep the roots dark. And so the whole idea, fill the bus bins with the growing medium, which is just water and liquid fertilizer, and then they grow in here. And what I've done is I've taken the lids and I've just used a hole saw to cut holes in the lid. And this is a 2-inch hole saw, and that works out to be what is it, 51 millimeter. And the reason for doing that is because we grow everything in here. It's just a little plastic basket that you can buy online. It's got a little lip on it, and it fits perfectly right there in the hole. And as you can see, it just hangs down beneath the lid like that, and the roots grow through there. And what we do is we grow the seeds. Here's my box of seeds. And we grow them in this, I've got a bag of these things here, but we grow them in this this thing called, let me take it under the light and show it to you. I think it's rock wool or something, I'm not sure. And don't know if you can see that, but it's just kind of squishy. It's got a little hole in it in the top where you can put a seed in there, and you germinate them in there. And that's what I'm trying to do here with some spinach seeds. The seeds are in there. Not having much luck with spinach. For some reason, it's not doing that well. And I use this medium called Flexigrow, Maxigrow, I mean, by General Hydroponics, 10514. You can buy it online. And I just keep a gallon mixed up in this jug, so I can top off the tubs as the level gets down. And as you can see, I've got spinach growing right here. This one, spinach isn't doing very well. I don't know why. I'm trying to figure it out. But let me lift the lid here, and you can see how the roots are growing down into the medium, which is just basically water and fertilizer. And it's nice because it's not messy. There's no dirt. You don't have to wash dirt off your lettuce. There's a lettuce growing right there, and that is going to be ready. Well, I guess we could eat it now, but probably in another week to 10 days, that's going to be ready. And I've got some other small ones growing over here. These were started later, so I'm going to grow them in batches and harvest them as they're ready. And so that's my basement hydroponic project, growing under these grow lights right here, which I've got hanging from the rafters in the basement. Ta-da!